Clean hard to reach areas the easy way with the Neo 600-watt corded stick vacuum. Don't struggle with large, heavy vacuum cleaners, with this handy and lightweight stick vacuum tackling skirting boards, corners, stairs, under the bed and around furniture is easy. Along with the standard wide floor brush, the vacuum also comes with 3 different accessories, so you can clean those hard to reach places with ease. A pet hair attachment is also available for any shedding our 4-legged friends leave behind on carpets, rugs or wooden flooring. The 600-watt dual cyclone vacuum features a bagless design, a 5-meter power cord and is fully extendable, making those hard to reach areas effortless. There's also a handy quick release button on the tank to make emptying the vacuum even easier. Forget traditional heavy vacuums and revolutionise your cleaning with the Neo 600-watt corded stick vacuum.